Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Wasim and welcome to my channel. This is Wasim, a graphics and architecture designer. In this tutorial, Photoshop, I will show you how to use paint bucket tool in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's jump into Photoshop. Now this paint bucket tool, this paint, how to use it? Drag any kind of element object. First go to the layer, make it to the layer. Now select the background layer, press Alt Delete to fill that area. Now change the color of the rectangle, lighter. Let me check, select from here. Now make a copy of it holding Alt key. Select both of them, make it small. Now change this color also, rectangle. From go to the rectangle, change its color. Now how to use the paint bucket tool. First rasterize the layer, go to the rectangle. As I have to make this object, how to use the paint bucket tool. I will use this first rectangle, right click on it, rasterize the layer, and then with eyedropper tool select that color. It will come in the foreground. Now paint bucket tool, select the paint bucket tool. As this color is appearing, the foreground color, it is appeared over here. It will fill that kind of area. It fill that of color which you have, which is there in the foreground color. As you can see, this was a quick tip. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel. That is what's in my graphics and architectural channel. Have a good day. Bye.